Hey, let me show you how you can easily connect Xiaomi Watch S3 with any iPhone. In this video, I'm using old iPhone SE. So first of all, on your iPhone, you'll have to go into the App Store. Now click on the search and simply input this phrase, Mi Fitness. And we have to actually download this application. Just click on the install, and after this, when this application is on your iPhone, all you have to do is just to accept all of these permissions that will pop on your screen. So grant permission to the Bluetooth, to the contacts, location, and stuff like this. Then you will have to click on the profile in the right bottom corner, and from this you will have to actually log in into your Xiaomi account. So in my case, it looks like this, that I'm actually currently connected, but you will have here this button to actually add the new account. So yeah, after you log in into this account, you can just simply go into the device, and now just go into your watch. When you turn it on and you have this first language set up, just pick the language that you want to select, and now we've got this pairing mode. Now this device is in the pairing mode, so all we have to do is just to grab our phone one more time, click to add device, and from this just select the Xiaomi Watch S3. If for some reason it doesn't appear right here, click to add the model, and from the list find Xiaomi Watch S3. Then when you select your watch, you will have to actually go into the Bluetooth settings manually. So go into the settings, then go to the Bluetooth, and from the Bluetooth list you will have to select the Xiaomi Watch S3. Click on it once, accept the pairing on your iPhone and on your watch. Now when we are connected, we can go back into the Mi Fitness application, click OK. Let's do this one more time. And now from this, select the Xiaomi Watch S3 another time and accept another pairing request on your iPhone and on your watch. Then accept all of these permissions. Now it looks like we are connected successfully, but we have to still enable some permissions. Then scroll down, click done, scroll down, click done one more time. And now when we go back from this one, we are successfully connected. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.